You know, the tricky thing about commercial insurance is the fact that there's really just millions of different types of companies and businesses out there, which means that there's millions of types of commercial policies out there. You know, if you think about it, whatever business or industry you're in, your business is completely different than your competitors, and your two businesses are different than the third guy. Um, you know, for instance, say a cabinet guy, for instance. You know, he starts out, it's him, his pickup truck, and his dog. And you know, over the years, as things go on, before you know it, he's added a crew, maybe a bigger truck. You know, but now he's doing some tile work, maybe some light plumbing, appliance installation, different things that just that fit his business. Maybe he adds some more vehicles and more people. You've got to keep up with this with your insurance, because if you don't, and something you do, say that the plumbing springs a leak, you're not going to be covered. So and a lot of times, a lot of people are afraid, thinking, "Oh, geez, I'm paying this much already. I don't even want to hear what it is. You know, if I add this." You know, they don't charge you per thing that you do. They really just charge the highest rated thing you do. But you should list everything. So you know, sometimes it really doesn't even cost you any more, or very little, to do it the right way. Um, you know, these types of things can be very confusing. You know, and how do you make sure that what you need is what you're getting from your agent? You know, so finding a good agency is really important. You know, look for an agency that has good experience in this. Some agencies specialize in small to medium-sized businesses. Some specialize in larger businesses. Um, Look for an agency that has lots of insurance companies. The more insurance carriers that they have, the more companies that they can offer you. It usually means you can get more better prices and more coverages. Um, Look for a good reputation. 4 and 5 star reviews are important. A+ ratings with the Better Business Bureau, trusted choice. These types of things give you a pretty good idea of who you're dealing with. You know, and while you're at it, find somebody that's nice to deal with. Life's too short to deal with a stuffy or an arrogant type of a person. You know, you really should be able to feel comfortable picking up the phone and talking to your agent, especially in the commercial field, because again, as things change, you know, you need to keep your insurance up with it. I mean, sometimes things improve. I mean, not improve, but you know, you grow. Sometimes people are kind of cutting back, you know, so that's also important, that you know, as you cut back, again, that we're not over insuring you, and you know, and keeping you up to date there. So I guess the bottom line is, you know, is whether you choose us or find somebody else, you look for a good agent that has your best interests at heart. I'm sure you'll be happy you did. Thank you.